Welcome Aquarius, it's Priyam from Guidance. Here's your weekly card reading from 18th of July 2016 till 24th of July 2016. First of all, many thanks to all my viewers, subscribers, those who comment and likes and showering me so many blessings. Thank you so much. And I'm really sorry I couldn't do the last week because of so many reasons. And anyway, we will do this week's reading for sure. Another thing guys, as it's a general weekly card reading, so if things don't resonate, don't be disheartened, don't be upset. You can mail me at tarotguidanceadvice@gmail.com, and I am doing personal reading where I am offering 2 readings, and you can pay me as you wish. This is how I'm doing this time. So you can mail me anytime at tarotguidanceadvice@gmail.com, right? So let's move ahead with our reading. You know the cards: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, your weekend card, angel advice card, and the challenge card. Let's see your first card. Okay, Aquarius. If you have been ignoring your intuitions or dreams, it is high time to focus and pay attention to your dreams. Don't ignore them. And if you're hiding something, are you hiding something from someone or someone else is doing it? See, this card says if you are hiding something, it is okay. At this time, it is fine. Okay, you could do that. But if you are in some kind of fear, you need to come out of it and face the reality. Okay, and please follow your intuitions. Have faith in your intuitions, and have faith in your dreams. They are not impossible. Have faith. Okay, let's see the other one. Okay, you need to balance. Don't take too much of work at the same time, too much of things at the same time. Balance your finances. You may have to take a trip, or for your work maybe you will have to go to some other place, or just for outdoor works, and you will come back home. And balance your personal and professional life, please. I see financial activities, like if you're spending a lot of money, or emotions, I see. You will have to handle things very carefully. Okay, you will have to balance your life. You will have to take the control of your life, right? And don't take too much of work together. Okay, let's see the other one. Please give all your worries to God, because you have all the support, all the blessings, and guidance. Everything is there. You need to have faith, which is very important. This time also I told you. And the same thing, it's a major arcana card, so it is very important for you to know this, that you need to have faith in yourself and faith in what you are looking for. It will come out as a good a good result. You will get the good result, but you have to have that faith first. And please call upon your higher self for help. And if you feel stressed, tired, get some rest too. And the way you pray, keep on doing it. Have faith. Please do have faith, and give all your worries to God, right? And let's see what angels are advising you. Angels are advising you to be more practical, to be more mature, handle things in a very mature way. Like you will have to be a little more father figure. You'll have to handle things like someone who is very much used to with things, and don't let anyone know if you are feeling confusing about something. Don't let others know. I hope you're getting my point. And don't act kiddish. Okay, talk less and be more and more practical. Okay, let's see your your challenge part. Your challenge part is sometimes you will feel very low and you will worry so much. Don't take stress, because it is in your challenge position. Your challenge is to be relaxed mentally and tell yourself that things will work out. You need to call your higher self, and you need to balance. And be more practical and mature. Handle things in a very, very, very mature way. If you need to take advice from someone who has this father figure nature, please take his advice. Okay, and angels are advising you, if you can carry this kind of attitude, you will achieve something really nice, or you are going to earn something really good. So please carry this attitude within yourself. Okay, so cards are really very nice, Aquarius. Please don't take stress. It's in your challenge position, so you might feel stressed or worried. Don't worry, it is your challenge that you will have to come out of this thing. Too much of thoughts and all. Come out of it and be more mature, be practical, handle things in a very nice way. Take advice from a father figure. If you have someone in your life like this, please take his advice and give all your worries to God. Call your higher self. Please balance your professional and personal life. Please balance your finances too, and please believe in your dreams. Have faith in yourself. Things will work out. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will be back with your next weekly card reading soon. Till then, please take care. Lots of divine love and blessings to you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.